Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope everybody has typed present in the chat box,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
and it is very
Yes,
compulsory for your attendance, है ना? Yes. Now, as yesterday only informed that first we are going to discuss the question answers which were given as your homework assignment, holiday homework assignment. I hope everybody has completed the homework in your notebook.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
so now we'll start our class with first the discussion of holiday homework, the question answers. Open your notebooks and check and means answer. If I ask you any answer, you can answer me also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now first
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Everybody together will not give the response. Okay, one by one, you have to raise your hands, or you can first raise your hand or speak your name, and then you can answer. Okay, because if everybody
Okay, ma'am.
will speak together,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
will not be able to hear properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then first is, who used to copy the manuscripts in the early medieval period? Can anybody? Yes.
Ma'am, I am Nishant Kumar.
Okay. Nishant.
Ma'am, scribes write the manuscripts in the earlier medieval period.
Very good. Scribes. The answer will be scribes used to copy the manuscripts in the early medieval period. Everybody is writing the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So next is now with the pencil. You have your pencil with you just now?
Yes, ma'am.
You have your
Yes,
pencil?
ma'am.
अच्छा रहने दो, फिर नहीं तो कोई बड़ा लगाएगा, कोई छोटा टिक मार्क लगाएगा, नहीं तो आंसर जहाँ ANS आंसर लिखा है ना आप लोगों ने नोटबुक में, वहां बिल्कुल स्मॉल टिक, कैसा? वेट अ सेकेंड,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
अभी भी नहीं आ रही क्लियर. Hello. So
Yes, ma'am.
where you have written the answer ना ANS, मार्जिन में जो ANS लिखते हो आप ऐसे,
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बाद फिर आप आंसर स्टार्ट करते हो, यहाँ पर पेंसिल से स्मॉल टिक लगाएंगे अगर आपने आंसर ये लिखा स्क्राइब्स. कितना छोटा टिक लगाया पेंसिल से, और वो भी पेंसिल से. किससे लगाएंगे?
Pencil से.
पेंसिल से. ठीक है ना?
Pencil.
हाँ,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
अगर स्क्राइब्स लिखा है तो. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट इज, और अगर गलत लिखा है तो आप टिक मार्क या रहने दीजिए, नहीं तो आप गलत पे भी टिक मार्क लगा देंगे, फिर आपको कंफ्यूजन होगा बाद में. आप टिक मार्क रहने ही दीजिए. ठीक है ना? ना लगाइए आप टिक मार्क, बिकॉज फिर आप लोग गलत पे लगा देंगे, फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी कि आप वो गलत आंसर लर्न कर लेंगे एग्जाम्स में. तो आप टिक मार्क ना लगाइए, यू हैव टू लिसन केयरफुली. ओके, एंड चेक योर आंसर्स इन योर नोटबुक. Who used to copy the manuscripts in the early medieval period? So scribes used to, SCRIBES, scribes. So next question, name the warrior clan that became popular between 8th and 14th century.
Ma'am, Nena.
हाँ, नैना. Yes. नैना first.
Khashtiya caste status.
हाँ,
Ma'am, Khashtiya caste status. Ma'am, Khashtiya caste status.
कौन नैना आवाज क्लियर नहीं है, स्पेलिंग बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, KSHATRIYA.
हाँ, क्षत्रिय. K is silent over there. K is
Yes, ma'am.
silent.
Khashtiya I told.
हाँ, क्षत्रिय clan became popular.
Caste status.
हाँ, so everybody is writing the name word kshatriya over there for the second answer. Okay, the next is, who was Eladrisi? Who was Eladrisi?
Ma'am, me Shaurya.
Yes, Shaurya.
Ma'am, Al-Idrisi was a famous Arab cartographer.
Yes, Al-Idrisi was a famous Arab cartographer or geographer. In your book first it is written Al-Idrisi was a geographer, Arab geographer, है ना? Arab cartographer. What it is written?
Ma'am, Arab geographer.
Cartographer.
No problem.
Geographer or geographer.
हाँ.
Ma'am, Phillips का फर्स्ट वाले का आंसर क्या है?
फिलिप का फर्स्ट वाला का आंसर मीन्स होमवर्क में जो दिया है ये दिस वन.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are coming first. First we confirm this. Who was Al-Idrisi? So Al-Idrisi was an Arab geographer is also correct. Arab cartographer if you have written it is also correct, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
The next is dash provide a lot of information to the
Manuscript.
Ma'am,
Manuscript.
yes
manuscript.
manuscripts.
Manuscript.
Yes, manuscripts provide a lot of information, manuscripts. And for this question number 3, who was Al-Idrisi? According to your book, if you write down, that is Arab geographer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So be careful, you can write down Arab geographer, it will be correct. Then next is dash provide, now you need the answer, manuscripts. Now second is rules and regulations of Jatis were enforced by?
Ma'am, Assembly of Elders.
Ma'am, Jatis Panchayat.
Yes, Jati Panchayat, and in bracket you can also write down who was Jati Panchayat. It was an assembly of elders. So assembly of elder is also correct, and the proper word is Jati Panchayat. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Next is knowledge of dash earned Brahmins a lot of respect.
Ma'am, Sanskrit.
Ah,
Ma'am, Sanskrit.
Yes,
Sanskrit text.
yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
Sanskrit text.
Sanskrit text. So the knowledge of Sanskrit text, T-E-X-T text earned Brahmins a lot of
Respect.
Clear? Next question. The Muslims had two divisions, the dash and the dash.
I am
Ma'am,
Sunni. Sunni.
Shia
Ma'am,
Muslims and Sunni Muslims.
Yes, Shia and Sunni. S-H-I-A. S-H-I-A Shia and S-U-N-N-I Sunni. Fifth one.
Yes.
Dash has controlled empire from Bengal in the east and Ghazni in the west.
Gayasuddin. Ma'am, Gayasuddin.
Sultan Ghiyazuddin Balban.
Very good. Very good. Sultan Ghiyazuddin Balban.
Balban.
Ghiyazuddin. Ghiyazuddin Balban. B-A-L-B-A-N.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the second question,
Yes.
ma'am, only Shastriya we have to write or Shastriya caste status we have to write.
Kshatriya clan, you can write down Kshatriya also, then it will be correct. है ना? क्योंकि that word was used for what? Which type of people? Rajputs. है ना? Rajputs
Yes.
के लिए Kshatriya warrior clans, तो आप Kshatriya भी लिखोगे तो it will be correct, है ना?
Fifth वाले का आंसर क्या है?
किसका?
Thank you, ma'am.
Fifth
Fifth.
वाले का.
Fifth, yeah, this one. Dash has controlled an
Yes,
empire.
ma'am.
Yes. Ghiyazuddin Balban. I am giving the spelling. Ghiyazuddin. Ghiyazuddin Balban. 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 Okay. Now true and false. We do not find inscriptions for the period after 7.
balloon है बलबन है
Balban बेटा.
False का first का false.
False है.
हाँ? ये
Ma'am, false है.
wait. One was having the doubt in the spelling of Balban. B-A-L-B-A-N.
balloon है
बलून कहाँ पर बलून है?
मैम गाइस मैम balloon
Balban बेटा, check it. Check your book again. It is Ghiyazuddin Balban. B-A-L-B-A-N.
मैम नीचे लिखा हुआ है ना ट्रू फॉल्स में ई वाला
True and false में
मैम D1 मैम यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना गायुद्दीन बलबन.
हाँ ये बलबन, ये स्पेलिंग. So this spelling is correct, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, first is we do not find questions for the period after 7 and 8. Yes or no?
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false.
False. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Background voice is coming.
Okay. So listen, those who are giving the response after responding after giving the answer, please mute yourself. And when one is giving the answer, others mute yourself ताकि सिर्फ एक ही की जो बोल रहा है उसका आंसर क्लियर होए, ठीक है ना? And everybody is able to listen properly. So we do not find inscriptions for the period after 700. That is false. Then B, the Marathas exerted the political importance during this period.
Ma'am, true.
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 Ma'am, true.
Yes, true. Then forest dwellers were sometimes pushed out of their lands with the spread of the agricultural settlements.
Ma'am, true.
This is also true. Yes, forest dwellers were pushed outside, है ना? उनको forest से निकाल दिया जाता था. Then D, Sultan Ghiyasuddin Balban controlled Assam, Manipur, and Kashmir.
Ma'am, false.
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 Ma'am,
Yes,
false.
this is false. Now, what makes biosphere?
Ma'am, the biosphere is made up of the parts of the earth where life exists all ecosystem.
Yes, anybody else? What makes Madrik?
Ma'am, plant
and animal kingdom
plants
together
and
make
animal kingdom make the biosphere.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, land, water, air,
हाँ,
and
Together
life make the biosphere.
हाँ. This is also correct, but in particular one correct sentence it is given that plants and animal kingdom together make biosphere. What makes biosphere? It is written na, what makes biosphere? So what makes biosphere? Yes.
Ma'am, like the plants and animal kingdom.
हाँ, plants and animal kingdom.
makes biosphere.
हाँ, ये लिखना है. Plants and animal kingdom makes biosphere. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
What is biosphere अगर होता, what is biosphere, then the answer would be what the other student is telling कि it is a narrow zone of earth where land, water, air interact, है ना? अगर what is आता है तब लिखते हम लोग ये it is a narrow zone where land, water and air interact, but it is what makes biosphere. Biosphere कौन बनाता है? Plant and animal kingdom. So for this answer, both the questions means, that is why I am telling कि read the questions carefully. Questions carefully पढ़ोगे तब आपको समझ में आएगा. What makes, अब makes भी अलग है, what is अलग है, दोनों का आंसर अलग होगा. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Makes में आएगा, अब इसका आंसर क्या होगा? What makes biosphere? Plant and animal kingdom. It is given on page number 4, second paragraph in your book, first line. So students make correction. You can write down plants and animal kingdom together make a biosphere. Okay. Next is what holds the atmosphere around Earth.
Ma'am, Earth cavity holds the atmosphere.
Ma'am, the gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it.
Gravitational force.
Gravity.
Gravity.
Gravitational force.
Answer will be gravitational force. If your answers are wrong, please write the correct answer in front. With the pencil, you can write down just now. Pencil से लिख लो, गलत means line करके एक और उसके ऊपर correct word लिख लो. If your answers are wrong, okay? Now what holds the gravitational? Now what is atmosphere?
Atmosphere is the
Ma'am,
thin
the
layer of
atmosphere
Ma'am, atmosphere is the layer
that surrounds
or
the
the set
earth.
of the layer of the gases.
Yes.
The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it.
Now question number,
Ma'am.
we are on question number 7. What is atmosphere? That is, it is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth.
Earth.
Clear? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the components of environment?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
land,
there
air,
are three
water, and the
components of
components of the environment.
environment: natural environment, human-made environment, and human environment.
Very good.
Thank you.
And for this, the diagram was also there. Yes or no? About
Yes,
the
ma'am.
components
Yes.
of environment? Yes. So natural environment, human-made environment, and human. Good. Then next is fill in the blanks. Hydrosphere is a part of
Biosphere.
Natural environment.
natural
Ma'am,
environment.
biosphere. Ma'am,
Hydrosphere,
biosphere.
hydrosphere is a part of natural environment.
And hydrosphere is a part of natural environment.
हाँ, natural environment है ना? Natural environment
Ma'am,
का
it is a biosphere.
what happened? हाँ, biosphere. Now, from the book you have written biosphere also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is also the part of, because land, water, and air, three are included in biosphere. Na? So if you will write down biosphere, it will be correct also. Hydrosphere is a part of biosphere.
Ma'am, shall we write the natural environment or biosphere in exam?
Exam you can write down. If you will write down,
Hydrosphere is a part of natural environment.
हाँ,
मैम एग्जाम में क्या लिखना है मैम? बायो या फिर नेचुरल लिखना है?
आप सब अपना डिस्कशन बंद करेंगे तो मैं बताऊं ना. Okay, now
Yes.
listen carefully. Hydrosphere is a part of natural environment also. You will write down, if natural environment, it will be correct. If you will write down biosphere, then also it will be correct. Clear?
ओके मैम.
Are you getting?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, क्योंकि हाइड्रोस्फीयर बायोस्फीयर का भी पार्ट बोल सकते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दिस, द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट करेक्ट. सो आइदर यू कैन राइट ऑन दिस, और अगर नहीं है तो ऑब्लिक ट्रू उसमें एमसीक्यूज फॉर्म में आएगा, है ना? एमसीक्यूज फॉर्म में जो आएगा, अगर नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट लिखा हुआ आएगा तो उस पर आप टिक मार्क लगा देना, और अगर बायोस्फीयर लिखा हुआ आएगा तो उस पर लगा देना टिक मार्क. Clear? Both the answers will be correct. Both the answers will be correct. Now next, okay, next question. Main constituent of environment are
Ma'am, biotic and abiotic.
Natural and man-made.
no. Two main constituents of environment are biotic and abiotic.
Biotic and abiotic is correct answer, no?
Yes. Biotic and abiotic. Then third one, dash is the hard top layer of
Ma'am,
the
lithosphere.
yes,
Ma'am, lithosphere.
yes, lithosphere. Then fourth, dash modified the natural environment.
Ma'am, human.
Ma'am, human beings.
Yes, human beings. Fourth answer will be human beings. Okay. So till here it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
question
ma'am.
number 10. What do you mean by dignity?
Ma'am, can I tell Modric Mathur?
Yes, Modric.
Dignity means thinking of oneself and other as worthily self-respect.
Very good. Yes, it is correct. Everybody is giving the same definition.
Yes, ma'am.
It is given there. Lesson number 1, glossary part.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, it is given in lesson 1, glossary dignity. Dignity refers to thinking of oneself and other persons as worthy of respect. Clear? Next is,
Yes.
when was Civil Rights Act enacted in USA?
Ma'am, I Nikita.
Ma'am, shall I, Nina?
Nikita,
Ma'am,
yes.
shall I?
Yes, Nikita.
Ma'am, in 1964, the Civil Rights Act in USA.
Yes, in 1964. Okay. Now, on what basis was Om Prakash Valmiki treated unequally?
Ma'am, shall I, Nina?
Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am, on the basis of regional.
Ma'am, Prakash Valmiki was treated unequally on
Ma'am,
the
basis of region.
religion.
Ma'am, on the basis of caste.
caste.
Ma'am,
On the
on
basis,
equality.
no, on the basis of caste. Caste. Om Prakash Valmiki was treated unequally on the basis of caste. उसकी caste जो low caste को belong करता था ना, ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि किसको belong करते थे, कौन से caste को, low caste को, है ना, दलित caste को. तो that was unequally treated. That means according to the question, it will be caste.
मैम
हाँ, yes.
मैम इन बुक में मैम जो पेज नंबर 9 है मैम चैप्टर 1 का मैम वहां पे लिखा हुआ भी है बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कास्ट ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि स्कूलमेट्स एंड टीचर हर्ट हिज डिग्निटी बैडली.
Very good. So the answer of this will be caste. ठीक है ना? जिसने नहीं लिखा caste word, you can make a correction in your notebook. Write down caste over there. CASTE, caste. Now, what is the key feature of democracy?
Ma'am, equality.
Ma'am,
Feature
equality
of
is the
democracy.
feature of democracy.
Very good. Very good.
Equality.
Yes,
Ma'am,
equality. Equality will be the correct answer for this. Then why had Kanta borrowed money from the employer?
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Kanta had brought her employer Shikant to take.
Ma'am, hospital, but she was not having the money.
Okay. Now listen. Why had Kanta borrowed money from her employer to take her child to the doctor? है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
To take her child to the doctor. हाँ जी.
मैम अगर हॉस्पिटल लिखेंगे मैम वो भी सही है.
हॉस्पिटल लिखेंगे तो मतलब कौन सिर्फ हॉस्पिटल वर्ड लिखेंगे? The hospital, ये पूरा word means to take her child to the hospital ऐसे. Now it is given on page number 6. Check it. Page number 6.
To the hospital.
Yes, page number 6. It is given there in the last paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 6th line. Page number 6, last paragraph, last 6th line of your civics book. She needs to borrow money from the employers to take her child to the
Child
doctor.
to the doctor.
It is this.
Yes.
Okay. Now next.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next is name the program introduced in all government elementary schools to provide children with cooked lunch.
Midday meal. Midday
Yes.
meal.
Midday meal scheme.
Midday meal.
Okay, midday meal.
Midday meal.
Yes, midday meal. And who was the author of Jutan?
Ma'am, Om Prakash Valmiki.
Ma'am, Om Prakash Valmiki.
Yes, be careful about the spellings, okay? Next is name the first Indian state to introduce midday meal scheme.
Ma'am, Nadu.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Yes, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. So I hope all the answers are clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you again tell me true, false? I want to check.
Which one is this? B part. We do not find inscriptions for the period. Okay.
Yes,
We do not find inscriptions for the period after 700 is false. Then the Maratha asserted this political importance during this period. It is true. Then forest dwellers were sometimes pushed out of their lands with the spread of the agricultural settlement. This is also true. And the last one is false. That is Sultan Ghiyasuddin Balban controlled Assam, Manipur and Kashmir. This is false. So first and fourth, A and B is false. B and C is true. Okay? Now, after this, we have to continue with the lesson now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There still a lesson is remaining today.
Ma'am,
Yes.
8:37 हो गई है, 8:40 पे तो हमारी क्लास खत्म हो जाती है मैम.
हाँ तो 8:30. हाँ, that is why
Ma'am, only 3 minutes is remaining.
let me speak बेटा. मुझे भी पता लग रहा है ना, बिकॉज यहाँ पर वो कैप्शन आ जाता है कि दिस मच टाइम इज रिमेनिंग मेरे स्क्रीन पे. दैट इज वाई लेट मी थिंक. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग द स्क्रीन. दैट मीन्स के वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस लेसन. टुमारो इज अ पीरियड.
No, ma'am.
टुमारो.
Ma'am,
On Friday.
No, ma'am.
ओके.
on Friday.
Ma'am, on Friday.
अच्छा, on Friday a period is there. Okay, on Friday we
Yes,
can.
ma'am. On Friday and Saturday.
Okay, on Friday we'll continue. Friday and Saturday we'll continue this lesson and we'll complete this lesson. Okay. Friday, Saturday we'll continue the lesson and we will try to complete this lesson. So on Friday,
Okay.
be punctual to attend the class and we will continue with this lesson. Okay. I hope.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I hope it is.
ma'am.
Okay. That's all for today. Just type present in the chat box before leaving
Ma'am.
the class. And thank you. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am.
Good day,
Ma'am.
ma'am. Have a good day, ma'am.
हाँ. Type present once again.
Good day,
Yes.
ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. If any doubt, you can ask.
Our status are only the Kshatriya.
Kshatriya.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt, you can ask me.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Lakshita.
No, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Bye.
Okay.
Good
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. After typing present in the chat box, you can leave the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.